Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction opinion itong post ng The Black File. Title, Caught on Camera. After weeks of vanishing without a trace, Atong Ang is now believed to have been spotted on US surveillance footage setting off a dramatic joint operation between the FBI and Philippine law enforcement. Okay. So, disclaimer walang kasiguruhan ito. It's just a post. Tinignan ko sa ibang sources, walang ibang sources na nagsasabi na totoo nga ito. Kaya, pag-usapan lang natin how true na nasa US na siya. Okay. So, ito. Anong basihan ng post na ito? Mayroong news sa Nexolapik. Ito. News. Ito. Vanish. Basahin ko itong news na ito. Vanish without a trace. Former insider claims Atong Ang may have fled the country using international connections as authorities search farms, mansions, and secret safe houses in a race against time for justice. As the controversy surrounding the disappearance of more than 100 Sabongeros continues to grip the nation, one question grows louder by the day. Where is Atong Ang? Despite extensive operations by authorities, the businessman at the center of the investigation remains nowhere to be found, fueling speculation. Ito, mga speculation na ito. Ulitin ko, hindi ito confirm. Bali-balita lang. Speculation that he may have already escaped the country long before law enforcement closed in. Police forces have scoured numerous properties linked to Ang, from vast agricultural estates in Laguna to luxurious mansions in Metro Manila. Yet, every raid has ended the same way, with empty rooms, locked gates, and no sign of the man they are desperately trying to locate. To many observers, it is as if Atong Ang has simply vanished into thin air. This prolonged absence has raised troubling questions. Is he still hiding somewhere within Philippine territory? Or has he already found a way out, possibly with the help of powerful connections and vast resources? According to a whistleblower who knew Ang closely for decades, the latter may be far more likely malayo na. The individual who has come forward is Dondon Patidungan, widely recognized as a key whistleblower in the case. Having worked closely with Atong Ang for many years, Patidungan claims to understand his former employer's mindset, habits, and methods, especially when faced with serious legal trouble. In a recent interview, Patidungan was asked about reports that police failed to locate Ang in any of his known residence. His response was direct and unsettling. He strongly believes that Atong Ang is no longer in the country. Yung pala. This belief, he insists, is not mere speculation. Rather, it is based on patterns he personally witnessed in the past whenever Ang encountered major threats or crises. According to Patidungan, disappearing strategically and silently has always been part of Ang's survival playbook. Patidungan further explained that Ang is not an ordinary businessman operating alone. He claims that Ang is connected to a group of with international reach, capable of facilitating movement across borders without attracting attention from standard tracking systems used by authorities. Because of these alleged international connections, Patidungan believes Ang would have had no difficulty leaving the Philippines discreetly, possibly weeks or even months before arrest warrants and intensified surveillance were put in place. For him, Ang's continued silence is not a sign of confusion or fear, but a deliberate decision. This is not someone who plans to surrender. Patidungan implied, this is someone who prepares to disappear rather than face kidnapping and homicide charges. If Patidungan's suspicions are correct, the implications are serious. He believes Ang may have fled the country as early as December before the case reached its current intensity. With his financial capacity, securing private support, false leads, or discreet exits would not have been impossible. This raises an uncomfortable but crucial question. Are current airport watch list and departure orders enough when dealing with individuals of extreme wealth and influence? Or are there other less visible routes available to those who know where to look? Despite believing Ang may already be abroad, Patidungan does not entirely rule out the possibility that he is still hiding within the Philippines. According to him, Ang owns or controls numerous properties unknown even to authorities. Okay, so itong si Patidungan, ito yung whistleblower. Ito ang nagbunyag. Kaya nga, nakasuhan at naisyuhan ng warrant of arrest si Atong dahil kay Patidungan. Kasi nagtrabaho siya ng matagal kay Atong Ang. Kaya, ang opinion ko dito, yes, there is possibility na nakalabas na si Atong Ang. Dahil nga mayaman. Kung sina Alice Go noon, nakaalis sa bansa na hindi na malaya ng otoridad, di ganyan din ang posibleng nangyari kay Atong Ang. Kaya sana mahuli ninyo para magkaroon ng hustisya yung mga pamilya ng missing sa Bungeros. So, kung totoo ito, na nakalabas na, ay tumatawa si Atong Ang, si Secretary John B. Cremulya na nag-put up ng 10 million reward money, wala na. Aburido na pornada na bulaga. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito is pantulong po sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo sila ng mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin nyo ang video nito.
Lang na taga Gero. So muna ni itsura sa iyang balay. Kita nato nga mag-atop na karon si Uncle kay mga busog tawi kaya ang atop po. Magutang na ko.
Ano dito naka?
Dagko na gid kay ito. Tanggalin. Ito. O karon human na gyud sa pag-atop. So nailisan na gyud ang mga atop ni Uncle nga buslot na. So karon maayo na gyud nga tan-awon.
Salamat sa Ginoo sa nag-sponsor po, nagatag og sin nga sa katapusan atop lagi ko og magmasin.
Oo.
Dito ko ka palit og sin kay ang kita igo. Salamat ka. Kani mga tao atong kuan nag-sponsor.
So pila gyud ka tuig ko lang imong balay nga buslot na bago pa ka nakapulig atop.
Mga pulo na siguro ka tuig.
Sa napulo ka tuig so bago pa ka nakapulig atop.
Bago pagyod, karon pagyod.
So salamat kayo Col.
Malipit kayo kay sino na gid ka na mga buskon. Salamat sa Ginoo ug sa nagtabang.
Salamat kayo.